Good morning, one and all. My name is Geeta Kumari from Signet Public School and Junior College. Today, I would like to give my view on the World Father's Day. Father's Day is celebrated worldwide to recognize the contribution that father and father figures make to the lives of the children. The idea of a special day to celebrate and honor fatherhood was first introduced in the United States. In US, Father's Day has been celebrated since June 1910. It is celebrated on third Sunday of June every year. I salute all the wonderful fathers who have touched the lives of many people, be it their kind, somebody else, their kid, family, people they have mentored, people they have coached, and the world at large. Thank you for being great fathers. We appreciate your existence and the impactful and significant role you have played in our lives. Father is a person who lets you experiment life in your own way and pulls you up when you fall. Let you get angry on him and loves you more after that. Lets you see things your own way and then gives his viewpoint. Is with you always, especially when you need him. Let's honor the dads who give everything to their families. We can't imagine this world without our fathers. They have always been the one reliable man in our lives, and they have always treated us with a stern yet loving hand. We have always looked up to them as an inspiration through the years. We will never cease to follow their footsteps and will always make the right decision like they have taught us. If I'm saying that I'm sharing my view on Father's Day, the wordings and the sentence and the whole story is nothing in front of that meaning. A father means so many things: understanding heart, a source of strength and support right from the very start in our life, a constant readiness to help in a kind and thoughtful way, with encouragement and forgiveness, no matter what comes your way. They are always with us. They always holds our hand in good and bad times. There was always love in daddy's hand. I remember daddy's hand walking with us at each and every moment. The fun, whatever we are sharing with them, our sorrow, our grief, our happiness. No matter what conditions are, whether we are famous, we are successful or not, they are always on our side. No matter how famous or successful we are, but our first identity is that of someone's son or daughter. Salute to all the dads. Thank you so much, everyone.